What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are changing our refrigerator. So yeah, I probably won't. If this video comes out, I know it'll be done by tomorrow, Friday the 25th. I want to say. Oh, guys. So yeah, guys, we're just getting a new refrigerator. Just wanted to point that out. Our old refrigerator, there was nothing really wrong with it. We're just changing refrigerators. So I'll be checking you in every now and then. But yeah, guys, I get 2 likes on this video. Only 2. Just 2 of you. And or if I get 5 subscribers and 1 like on this. So it only takes 1 of you guys for you to see me and my bud who created this channel. Heidel. He does more of the gaming stuff. I did the Fortnite one at the very beginning. But yeah, guys, if you ever want to see any Fortnite from me, it will take a long time. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy.
Behold, the refrigerator! And the freezer, of course.
Oh, hell yeah, look at that shit. Hey.
Fine, Klondike bar. You guys give us 1 million subscribers, I'll give this to each and every one of you. Yeah! Got a problem with it? Yeah, laser beam.
I'm better than Brett.